Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys an update on how everything is going with using iRestore. I have been using the iRestore laser hair therapy system since about November, 3-ish months, and I wanted to do an update and let you guys know how that has been going. I actually need to do a session today, so while I'm doing this here video, I will put my cap on and kind of refresh you guys on how easy it is to wear it every other day during the week and let you guys know how everything's going. So just to refresh your guys' memory, you guys can go back and look at my video, but here is the cap I'm using. And you use it for 25 minutes every other day. It's super simple. Push power. It's very comfortable. It has these medical grade cushions. It has this automatic timer display. It's a truly hands-free design. It has interior safety sensors. It has a combination of both lasers and LEDs. It's FDA cleared for safety. It's lightweight. The iRestore laser is clinically proven safe, effective, non-invasive, and drug-free. So I'm going to put this on. This is what I do. I usually sit in bed at night and wear this because it's just my relaxation time. And let's see, I push this button, that, and then it counts down. It won't turn on unless it's on your head, so it does have that safety sensor like I mentioned. Anyway, so like I said, I've been using this for like 3 months. I have thin fine hair. I have always had thin fine hair. I genetically have thin fine hair, but I have a tendency to go into sheds. I have telogen effluvium. I have androgenic alopecia as I've gotten older. And so along with that thin, fine hair, genetically, I've dealt with, you know, all those other things. And then I did a double whammy. In October, I went and I had VSG surgery, gastric sleeve. And it is well known that when you have a surgery of any kind, especially weight loss surgery, people lose their hair. So I feel like I've been at tug of war these last 3 months because I've been consistently using my iRestore laser and supplements that they have, but I've been dropping weight, and your body goes in shock kind of when you go through that. So I do believe that iRestore has helped me through the last 3 months because I see people in the VSG community post you know, pictures of just mounds of their hair that's falling out. A lot of them end up shaving. It just gets really, really bad. And, you know, I haven't experienced a lot of that. So I think that it's helping me combat the excessive loss. Do I have a thick head of hair? I don't think so, but I don't know that I ever will have a thick head of hair because I never have. But I think it's helping me. I think it's helping me maintain the hair that I at least have. I think it's helping me from losing the hair due to the stress that the weight loss is having on me, if that makes sense. So that's the tug of war that I think that I'm having, and I think the iRestore is helping me in that regard. So I will definitely post some before and after pictures up here right now so you guys can see those. So what do you guys think about those before and afters? Do you see a difference? If anything, I just notice less shedding, and then the comparison between the other people going through what I'm going through with the weight loss, the fact that I'm not going to shave my head because the loss is so bad, that to me, I'm like, okay, well, I think that the biotin, the gummies, the serum, the laser therapy, everything is helping. So that being said, I just wanted to talk about the low level light therapy, the science behind it. You guys can go watch a 2-minute video by Dr. Larson. It explains low level light therapy and how it works. He could probably articulate everything so much better than me because I'm no scientist.
Low-level laser therapy has been clinically shown to treat hair loss and help regrow hair. This is because the cells absorb the light energy, and it causes the cells to increase their metabolism rate and their ATP production. When the cells begin functioning again, then long dormant hair follicles begin producing hair again. It's just like watering a plant that hasn't been watered in a long time. It comes back to life and starts growing again. When it comes to light, there's really 2 things you need to know about: power and wavelength. Power simply refers to how strong the light is, and power really isn't the key to the results. The key is getting the right wavelength. Wavelength is the color of the light, and certain wavelengths have certain biological activities. If you get the wavelength right, then you're going to get the results you want, and then it's just a matter of dialing in the correct amount of power. But if the wavelength is wrong, it doesn't matter how much power you put behind the light, you're simply not going to get the results. The key is combining the right wavelength, the right power to get great results. When it comes to phototherapy, sometimes there's a mistaken notion that more is better, but that's not always the case. If you have too much power, it leads to overstimulation, which can give you the opposite effect of the one you're looking for. That's why I'm so impressed with the iRestore system. The system uses high-quality medical-grade lasers and LEDs to provide exactly the correct light output in the correct power level so that you get the exact result you're looking for. Some have asked, why use both laser and LED in the same product? And this is a great question. Both technologies are safe, effective, and non-heating, but both have different effects. Lasers provide coherent light, which means they penetrate more deeply, provide spot stimulation more powerfully, whereas LEDs provide a broader stimulation over a larger breadth of area. The combination of depth and breadth of stimulation provides the ideal environment for hair follicles so that you can regrow hair.
So if you have, dormant, as long as that follicle is still alive, even if that hair is like kind of dormant, even if you have like vellus hairs, teeny little light ones, you can go in there and stimulate and use this process to, push it back into growth. I'm probably using the incorrect terminology, but anyway, it's pretty nifty. A 4-month clinical study was conducted where 100% of users saw hair growth. I thought that was pretty cool. So in a nutshell, iRestore is FDA cleared to treat hair loss, thinning hair, and balding. They say that people see results in as little as 3 to 6 months. And of course, everybody's results vary. And you guys will have to go check out their reviews. They have a ton of reviews, more than any other laser cap out there. They have like over 900 reviews on Amazon, so check that out. Also, I have to let you guys know, iRestore has a monthly giveaway. They give away an iRestore professional device every single month. You just go to their giveaway page. I'll have the link down below. It's www.irestorelaser.com/contest. This is a really cool thing about iRestore. They have a 12-month, 100% money back guarantee. No restocking fees. Other brands require a 20 to 25% restocking fee. You get free shipping and returns. iRestore is the only brand to cover return costs. You'll have to let me know what you think about my before and afters, if you see a difference. I can say as far as the ease goes, it's super simple. 25 minutes every other day. It's not a big deal. I love the gummies. I actually enjoy taking these twice a day. They're super delicious. And these have biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and coconut oil. So the gummies are delicious, but I have been taking all of their products that help with the growth and overall health of your hair. This is their 3-in-1 hair growth formula. And then they also have this serum that I've been using, anti-hair loss serum. And then they have a shampoo and conditioner as well, which I have been using in conjunction with using this iRestore laser. I think altogether it's made the overall appearance and health of my hair a lot better. I'm going to continue using this system, and I'll let you guys know my progress in the next 3 months and give you an update. I think that with something like this, you definitely need to give it time. You're not going to see hair growth overnight. Hair does not grow back overnight. So this is something that takes time, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts and results with you guys over time. I'll have a link down below, so definitely check that out. You can see their products and what they have to offer. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Let me know if this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys later.